Hey guys, Ivy here, and it's time for Walgreens cheap deals of the week. We're going to be using this week's best offer sheet that's printed out and left at the front of the stores in my region. They usually do this. We're going to start off with the Oral-B that you can pick up. You can buy 2 Oral-Bs, and here we go. Let's start picking up the items we need. We're going to go to the Oral-B right here. Let's scan it. Here it is. It's the Oral-B Advanced Toothbrush. It is on sale for $3.50, and it has some offers to it. Hit the offers, and look, 3 offers pop up. The first one is earn $15 when you spend $45 on P&G products, and those are all the products. The second one is buy 2 select oral care items and get a $3 register reward, and those hit. Then you have a $1 coupon that is attaching to the toothbrush, so you can pick that up. Now, the second item we're going to use to do is going to be the Crest Advanced. They're originally $4.79. They're on sale for $4. Make sure you scan that because that is not telling us that we have a reward. So when we scan it, it says Crest Advanced. It is $4. Again, it's multiple offers. And it is to spend $45, save $15, get $15 in Walgreens cash. And then it is also the buy 2 oral care items and get $3 Walgreens cash. Sorry, guys. And then it is a $2 coupon that attaches to the toothpaste. So we have $3 in coupons we can use. So $4 plus $3.50 equals $7.50. We're going to take that $1 off the toothbrush, and $2 off the paste. Leave us at $4.50. You're going to take your $3 register reward off. They'll leave you at $1.50 divided by 2, or 75 cents each. So we're going to use that. That's a $3 register reward for this item. The next one we're going to go to is going to be on the Colgate. It's originally $5.29. It's on sale for $4. But when you buy 2, you get also a $3 register reward. Now, guys, I would do this separate transactions, okay? Because sometimes these trip up for some reason. And here it is. It's $4. You have a $2 off coupon right there. When you hit it, it shows you that, yes, it is attaching to that. Okay? We're going to do one that's $5.29. Now, our next one is going to be on a Colgate toothbrush. And again, it is buy 2, get a $3 register reward on Colgate. We're going to pick up 1 toothbrush. Always scan your item. That's at $4. And it also has a $2 coupon attaching, okay? So the way you kind of figure out if it's attaching or not, I usually add mine to my cart that I'm having it shipped, and it's going to show you which ones are attaching to it, okay? That is how you know, see? So we're going to do 4 times 2 is 8. Take away 2 for the toothbrush, 2 for the paste. Leave you at $4. Now we're going to get a $3 register reward back. Leave us at $1 or 50 cents each. There you are right there, guys. So we have $6 in register rewards already. Now, this does not have a reward, but the Axe is on sale for $5.99. It is buy one, get one 50% off. And it also has a $4 off 2 coupon that we can use, that you can always use on your deal, which we will. Again, if you want to see if it's attaching, apply it to your deals in the shopping cart, and that's how you will know. So $5.99, divide that by 2. You're going to pay $2.99 for one. So that'll takes you to $8.98. Take that $4 off 2 coupon, takes you to $4.98. Divide that by 2. You're paying $2.49 for 2 Axe body washes each, okay? Now, we're going to take the $3 from the Colgate and apply it to the Axe body wash. Now, over here, we're going to the Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. It's buy 1, get 2 free. And they are at $7 each. So I'm going to grab, I like to kind of match it, especially if I'm going to give it away as a Christmas gift, which I am. So this Christmas gift is literally $7.49. There it is. It's going to show you right there. Always scan it to see if you have a coupon. And also, guys, check Ibotta. Even though Ibotta didn't give us anything, so we're gonna pay $2.49. Now for the Oral-B, I'm gonna take the $3 register reward off that and apply it to the Arm & Hammer. Now I can do a number of deals with this, but let's get to another freebie. I don't gatekeep, guys. So if you look at my Dollar General ad previews, I always tell you where you can get more at. These are buy one, get two free at $2.79. No coupon, so $2.79. Divide that by 3. You're going to pay 93 cents each for the Ziploc bags, okay? They're the Walgreens bags, just regular bags. I'm not brand loyal, guys, because brands are not loyal to me. Now, bacon is on sale. Any Oscar Mayer, they are 2 for $8 or $4 each. Also with the hot dog. Now, the plant-based Oscar Mayers actually have a coupon. These do not. So they are 2 for $8, which is a great deal. Now, if I wanted to, I can take something from another deal and add it on, but this is how my card looks. Now, this is just a for you to see, guys. Haagen-Dazs is buy one, get one free. Also, you have the sodas that's buy two, get two free. They're the little minis. They're at $9.99 each. The 12 packs, the mini sodas. I really find these better than getting the giant ones, but today I got to grab a giant one. The Pepsis are 3 for $13.99. And when we scan it, and I'm having, like in here, this is ridiculous. When I scan, I see it's $13.99, but it's a number of coupons. So when I get to it, it's a $1 off coupon and it's a $4 coupon. The $4 coupon is off the Frito Lays and the Pepsi products. So I'm going to pick up actually 3 Pepsi products. And then I'm going to do 2 other Frito Lays that's buy one, get one free. That'll make us have 5 products. And we're going to get the $4 off. Okay, so I did not hit the $1 one. That one, I believe you have to buy 3 products. So the $4 one is going to hit, even if you do both, it's going to still come up, guys. So this is how we're adding it. We're up to $23. Take that $4.79 off the free bag of Lay's. Then take that $4 coupon off, leave you at $14.78. Divide that by 5, $2.95 each. That $1, let me show it to you. See, it's $1 off, but you have to buy 3 products in order for it to work, to match with your deal, okay? So that is the reason why we're not going to use that. But as you can see, when you add it to your cart, see, $4 off.